Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset accessibility settings in Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Reset Accessibility Settings and wait for the results to appear. This will bring up relevant options related to your accessibility settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Reset Accessibility Settings option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the Reset Accessibility Settings option again. Step 5. For the last and most important step, locate the Reset Settings option. Tap Reset Settings, enter your password, and tap Reset again. Your accessibility settings will be restored instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.